Hi, bring us to the clinic. Faster. Go. Go to the clinic. Go to the clinic. Could you walk properly? Faster. Thank you. Go. This is the clinic.
Thank you very much. Makisabi mo naman kay Nikki. Thank you very much. I'm so very happy.
Tatay's refrigerator. Wait. Siya naman nila. There's the sink. There are the medicines. Si Achel crying. Why are you crying? Away ka ni Loling hair mo eh. Lolo siya mo eh. Here's the operating table. And Tatay's room.